This Canaan plant is a big employer for Connecticut, Massachusetts, and New York. I consider myself a very proud American and try to buy all the products that I can that are produced in America. I take great pride in the product that we produce. When we went through COVID, our main focus was to produce the syringes that were going to be needed to provide the vaccine once that was approved. One of the things that I am most proud of Canaan is the people. There's a lot of really good people here that work very hard. It's kind of ironic. We used to have a water tower here. It was a big blue water tower with a big BD on it. And I can remember being a little girl coming up to the big town of Canaan with my dad, and I always used to ask him, are we going to go buy that big blue ball in the sky? And as it turned out, I spent 44 years of my life working here.